How to fix Solid Start app not working. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be seeing how you can fix if your Solid Starts app is not working. First thing you can try to do is open up the app and make sure to log into your account if it's working. But if you're not able to get the app to load up, then you might want to check your internet connection, because sometimes if you don't have a stable enough connection, it might be causing the issue. So you can try to switch over to mobile network if you are on Wi-Fi, and if you are on mobile data, try switching over to a Wi-Fi network. Then you can just go to your Play Store and go to search bar, simply search for the Solid Starts app. And if you see an update button here, make sure to update the app to its latest version. And once you have the app, long press on the application and go to the I button to open the app info. From here, you can directly go down to storage, go to clear cache, and then try to clear all of its unnecessary data. And if you want, you can try to clear the data off the app itself as well. Once that is done, head over to permissions, make sure all of these permissions are allowed, and go to set as default. So here, if the app has set up any defaults, make sure to clear those. And finally, go to battery and then set this to unrestricted or optimized. Then finally, you can just go back and give your phone a quick restart. Once that is done, your app should start working again. These are some of the ways that you can apply to fix the problem. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.